The right employee monitoring software gives you visibility into how work gets done, without crossing privacy lines or slowing people down. But not all tools are built the same. In this video, we're covering 9 of the top monitoring platforms, focusing on what IT teams actually care about: multiple monitoring channels, screen captures and recordings, productivity analytics, insider threat detection, and real-time alerts. By the end, you'll know which tools are worth your time. Number 1. Teramind. Teramind is built for teams that need more than surface-level oversight. It combines behavioral analytics, data loss prevention, insider threat detection, and forensic auditing into a single platform. You get real-time alerts, live session playback, keystroke logging, and remote desktop control, along with full customization over what's monitored, how policies are enforced, and which user groups they apply to. Everything is visible, traceable, and designed to scale from one department to your entire enterprise. It's powerful, no question, but the feature depth may require some ramp up, especially for smaller teams. On macOS, capabilities are more limited. Still, if your priority is full spectrum visibility and proactive threat response, Teramind delivers. Number 2. Monitask. Monitask targets remote teams with time tracking, live dashboards, and activity level scoring. It's light, simple, and great for freelancers, but don't expect deep integrations or robust offline tracking. Also, users report freezes that require full restarts, which is less than ideal. Number 3. CurrentWare. This platform is ideal for network-wide visibility and offline monitoring. It offers stealth and transparent modes, great for balancing trust and oversight. But there's some bloat. It installs all modules, whether you use them or not, and customizing alerts takes more steps than it should. Number 4. DeskTime. DeskTime is for teams that want set it and forget it tracking. It launches when your computer does and quietly tracks app usage and document time. However, its mobile app is lackluster and Ubuntu support isn't reliable if you're working outside the Windows world. Number 5. Hubstaff. Hubstaff is the GPS-enabled time tracker that's great for remote or field teams. It even handles payroll and geofencing. But users have noted weird billing policies, frequent plan changes, and inconsistent support. So be ready for surprises, mostly on your invoice. Number 6. Veriato. Veriato plays on the heavy end. Think surveillance meets behavioral analytics. It includes psycholinguistic analysis and screen recording that's basically Netflix for audits. But setup can feel like assembling IKEA furniture with half the instructions missing, and PowerShell scripts. Number 7. Time Doctor. This one's the stopwatch of the group. Time Doctor excels at tracking every second spent on tasks, with distractions flagged and billed by the pixel. But there are caveats. Automatic tracking sometimes ignores your settings, and integrations aren't always deep enough to be useful. Number 8. Insightful. Insightful brings time tracking and task mapping into one platform. Think of it like a hybrid productivity software and a manager's sixth sense. It offers visible and stealth modes, but it's not all smooth sailing. User reactivation takes time, and its Azure integration still a work in progress. Number 9. ActivTrak. ActivTrak is built for teams that want insights without being too invasive. It classifies activity as productive or not, and gives managers a clean dashboard of how time is being spent. That said, their data classification can be glitchy. Some users report needing to constantly reclassify websites, and if you're looking for fast support, you might be waiting a while. So there you go, 9 employee monitoring platforms, each with their own strengths and quirks. Some are built for visibility, some are built for control, and a few, like Teramind, are built to give you both. If you're ready to try it for yourself, go to teramind.co and see how proactive monitoring actually looks in action. And if this video helped narrow your decision, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tools you're using or avoiding. See you in the next one.